There's a completely new cryptocurrency meme coin sniper that gets into tokens as fast as possible, and in conjunction with my best Dexscreener filters to be able to find these top meme coins. I'm going to be teaching you in today's video from start to finish how you can turn a small amount of money into a much larger amount of money trading meme coins using this sniper bot and my very specific strategy with Dexscreener. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video because I'll be really deep diving into my full strategy that I've never shown on YouTube before. Don't forget, if you do enjoy, smash the like and subscribe. When we begin here on Dexscreener, there's so many things that are popping out to us. There's so many coins that are actually being showed to us. Now, what we really want to do is filter down to find only the best meme coin opportunities from today. And I can use this strategy every single day, come back to the market in the mornings, even in the late afternoons as well. So you can continuously use this strategy every day to find these top opportunities. And I'll be actually trading live in today's video. So let's get straight into it. So we'll head over to the filters section, the top right-hand side of Dexscreener. We only want to be selecting with Solana, so we select Solana. With liquidity, we only want to be focusing on coins that at least have a $20,000 in liquidity. Next, with the market cap, we want to filter out some of the really low market cap ones. So we'll put in 30,000 as a minimum, and actually as a maximum, I'm going to be putting in 1 million because once a coin's gone past that 1 million mark, I'm sort of going to deem it as, okay, I've sort of missed out on that opportunity. I really want to be getting in as soon as possible to these coins. So before the $1 million mark is really ideal. Then also we have the 24-hour transactions, which is going to be really important. This is also going to be filtering out some of the lowest opportunities available. Then also in the maximum pair range, I'm actually going to do 4 hours. So we're going to be looking at coins within the first 0 to 4 hours. So when they launch to 4 hours time, that's also going to be really important. And lastly, in this 24-hour volume, which is something that I'm always using in Dexscreener, actually going to select a minimum of 30,000. And you can actually change a lot of these numbers. So if you wanted to actually tighten a lot of these numbers, then what you would do is actually say decrease this market cap to something like 500,000, but then increase this 24-hour volume to say 50,000. Because if you increase the volume to say 50,000, that would mean that's even better coin. There's having more demand. There's even more buying opportunities. You can do this as well, changing the 24-hour transactions, maybe increasing it to 3,000, because a coin with even more transactions, especially within the first 4 hours, is going to be a coin that is a little bit more prioritized. But there's other ways that you can actually then extend out. So maybe you use these filters and you only find 1, 2, or 3 coins. Well, what you can do is change this pair range over to say 6 or 7 hours. Then you can also increase the market cap. Maybe you might increase this to 50,000, but then increase this, say, to 2 million. You might then decrease the liquidity, so you don't need as much liquidity. You might also decrease the 24-hour volume. So you can play around with these settings. These are fantastic as a base. And then you can go from there. If there's a lot of opportunities showing up on that day, you can decrease a lot of these filters to filter out some of those worse opportunities. And if there's not that many opportunities for the day, well, you can increase some of those filters and then capture some more meme coins on the outer skirts. So now we hit apply. And now we'll be looking at the best meme coin opportunities for today. And now let's go through and actually find the best one. And let's potentially get into a trade right now if we find a really good opportunity. So we've actually been given 4 meme coin opportunities for today. I'm not going to be focusing on these 3 bottom ones that have actually been CLMM. I'm actually going to be focusing on these top 4 that came from PumpFun. So we can see a lot of the pair age is really early. So 15 minutes, 27 minutes, 15 minutes, and this one's 2 hours old. You can also see all the transactions. So they're well above that 2,500 transactions. You see like 11,000 in just 27 minutes. Then we've even got the volume. So very high amount of volume. We only put 30,000 in volume, and look, huge amount of volume, massive amount of makers. Overall liquidity, so we can see it hitting our liquidity, and also the market caps as well. Very important to actually open up these coins so we can begin to open them up. But then I would also want to go and have a look at their websites, have a look at their Twitter. This is looking like one of the better opportunities right now. So right here, we're having a massive breakout on this meme coin. I'm actually going to be buying in instantly using Sniperoo, one of the fastest meme coin trading bots, to take advantage of this opportunity. I can instantly get into my position. I can track everything. I can see all of my holdings, and I can even instantly scale out of my position. I can come here, add the exponential moving average to my chart, and look for a retest of the EMA, look to actually get even more onto my position here. Don't forget to use the link for Sniperoo in this video description. It makes it really, really easy to enter and trade meme coins on websites like Dexscreener, where I can use their extension tool to trade within Dexscreener. Really, this one is looking like the best just because we're having that continuous stair-stepping pattern to the upside. What I really like to use is add the exponential moving average to the chart. And then what I'll do is actually buy when we come back to the EMA, even right here, making that continuous stair-stepping pattern to the upside with this particular coin. But the thing that we can see is once we broke below this low right here, because my trading strategy is really following these high lows, higher high strategy, this was the last swing low right here. So this is where my stop would have been. And once we got that break below right here, that gives me the signal that the overall trend has been broken. Whereas if I saw price actually say dip to this level, whereas this was the last swing low and we saw it dip into this region and then make a continuation to the upside, then that's the type of trade that I'd really be looking for. And then I'd know, okay, this is giving me a good opportunity because we're making that continuous stair-stepping pattern. Once we get that break, I know, okay, the overall trend has been broken. Looks like this coin is going to struggle to be able to make that upwards trend to the upside. So we'll just begin and continue on and look for an even better opportunity in the market. Here again, we've got another meme coin right here, but what we're doing, we're making that stair-stepping pattern to the downside. Look, we're making continuous lower low, lower low, lower low with all these lower highs as well. Really what I like to do is add my favorite indicator, the EMA, moving average exponential. Make sure you double click on the line and change the overall input to 20. And here we're on the 15-second time frame. You only ever trade in the direction of the overall slope. And look how they're using the EMA as a downwards resistance push. So every time we actually come back to this EMA, that's really an opportunity to be getting out of any positions that you are in. What you only want to be looking for is when we do have that positive slope on the EMA, that's when we will look for trades. But right now, it's clear that my favorite indicator is not giving us a strong signal for another upside push. And even here, we can see, where did we get the confirmation that the trend was over? Well, we were making this really strong stair-stepping pattern to the upside, and this was the last swing low right in this region. So once this level gets broken out, it then tells me that this stair-stepping pattern to the upside has been broken. There's no confirmation that the trend will go massively to the downside, but what it's triggering right now is that the long-term bullish trend has been broken, and we now need to look for an opportunity to get out of our position because this could be some dire consequences if we don't. And then we see we actually made lower high, and then we made that massive push to the downside. So not only using all of my different trading strategies, also using my filters that I'm showing you on Dexscreener to filter out and only find the best opportunities, plus actually trading in using one of the fastest meme coin trading bots. And even here with this opportunity as well, we were making that stair-stepping pattern, but this was the last level. Once you get the break, you really need to quickly get out of your trade. You've only got about 15 seconds because then look, we dumped from that $80,000 market cap. We're now to the $8,000 market cap. So we dumped 90% in a really short amount of time. That's why understanding the market structure behind meme coins and crypto in general is very, very important when you are trading. And here, I'm actually taking advantage of this meme coin opportunity. We had a big breakout above this old all-time high, and now it's showing me that this is the best out of all these 4 opportunities. That's why I use these specific Dexscreener filters, because they give me the best opportunities to show in meme coins. So there we have it. I'm going to be riding this coin to the upside, taking advantage of this trade right here using Sniperoo on Dexscreener. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one.